World Under-20 100-meter champion Tina Clayton won her Class 1 200-meter event in 24.58 seconds to emerge the overall winner out of three timed finals at the JAA's PUMA Fuller Anderson Development Meet at the GC Foster College over the weekend. Clayton says defending her title at the April 5-9 ISA Boys and Girls Championships is at the top of her list.
Really good to go back there and to retain my title. It will be a great feeling for me, my family, and the coaching staff.
Heidel's Onika Wilson is also getting set to defend her 100-meter hurdles title at the Boys and Girls Champs after winning her Class 1 event in 14.07 seconds, the same time credited to Petersfield's Alexis James, who won Section 2.
Champs. Go and defend my title and also compete at the World Juniors Trials and to make the World Juniors team.
Teammate Alia Baker, who's 55.97 seconds in the girls' Class 2 400 meters, was the best time overall, is looking forward to the rest of the season and also to making a second successive World Under-20 team.
More because I actually want to go to the World Juniors again this year, so I give me more motivation to actually train more and compete better this season so I can make the team again.
The JAA's PUMA Fuller Anderson Development Meet, which is back on the local calendar after a year's absence, was staged at a new home for the first time as opposed to its customary Kirkvine venue in Manchester.
The meet, we didn't get an approval last year. We have been trying from the second week in January to get approval, but because of all the various protocols, it is difficult to get approval for Kirkvine. Hence, we have decided, the committee, we have decided that let's try move the meet for this year to GC Foster, where a lot of the protocols would have been in place and it would have been easier.